Hi everybody, let's take a look at what you need to complete in place of coming to campus for the week of March 26th. So you'll see on my screen, I've already logged into our course's Blackboard site. On the left-hand side, I'm going to scroll down until I see Pearson's My Lab and Mastering. Go ahead and click on that one. Because you're a student, you'll click My Lab IT course content to advance to the My IT Lab system. Once you get loaded in the My IT Lab system, you will see the course materials as we normally do. You can go ahead and advance to Business Unit 3 and complete that homework assignment and submit it to the My IT Lab system. You have your usual 3 attempts to get the highest score possible. If you have any questions while completing this work, you're welcome to email me, but give me enough advance time before the deadline to be able to respond. I still have meetings and other college commitments to attend, but I'll try my best to respond within 24 hours of receiving any email. If you have any other questions about what to complete for this week's assignments, please contact me at any time.